On a hot summer weekend in Vegas, we decided to remove our Maxxair fan to replace it with a 12-volt air conditioner. I will post that in a separate video. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how we got it out, start to finish. We were prepared for this to be a difficult task, but honestly, removing the Maxxair fan was surprisingly easy. If you're thinking of swapping your fan or upgrading your van's ventilation or AC setup, here's a clean removal guide. No drama, no disasters. Let's get to it. We started on the inside by removing the trim and the fan screen that exposed the screws holding the fan to the top piece. And as you can see here, once we removed those screws, the trim came down nice and easy. Once the trim was off, we then started removing the 4 screws around the fan itself.
Oops, don't do that. Those screws stay there. The 4 screws you need to remove are on top.
Once on top, we started removing the screws from the trim around the outside of the vent. This back side was the only part that gave us a little bit of trouble, and that was only because our screwdriver didn't fit under the vent. After a little bit of a struggle, we noticed that there were 2 screws connecting the dark piece with the light piece that then gave us access to some arms that opened everything up and allowed us to access the screws with a regular sized screwdriver and made everything a lot easier. Once all the screws were removed, it was time to go back inside the van and disconnect the fan from all of the wiring. But first, make sure you have your power turned off. We didn't. So it's all ready to pull out? Oh boy, all right, let's go to the top. All right, moment of truth.
One of them.
First, oh, look at that. Wow. That came out way easier than I expected.
Now we have to pry that thing off.
Now we have to pry that off? Or do you think that that's gonna have to come off? Because the new air conditioner has a different frame. All right, do I need to come around and get that from you?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. So yeah, that's how we removed the Maxxair fan in just about an hour. Next up, installing our new AC unit. It was a little more complicated and a whole lot heavier. If you want to see how we pulled that off and how we like it so far, make sure to check out the next video. I'll link it here and in the description. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, drop any questions below, and subscribe if you want more real van life DIY, the good, the bad, and the mildly sweaty. See you next time.